We've got a Pokemon Sun and Moon booster pack to open. Well, today. Because I played through Pokemon Moon again recently and, I love Sun and Moon so much. So I thought, yeah, I'll buy some cards. But they're getting expensive now. This booster pack costs like nearly £7. Recording this with my microphone but no pop filter. So, the P's are going to be really terrible. Mainly because I've lost the stand. I need to find it. But I'm probably going to get a new microphone at some point anyway. Start doing weekly uploads, or at least that's my plan. Last week I uploaded something, and then, here we are again this week. So we got a Sun and Moon booster pack to open up. Hopefully we can get something cool. So this was kind of pricey. Well, not like really, really pricey, but costed me more than I'd kind of want it to. But I was kind of really, really nostalgic. I haven't opened up a booster pack of Pokemon Sun and Moon in so long. I don't know exactly how long it's been. It's been at least a few years. So let me just do that. I think it's 1, 2, 3 to the front. Ooh. Let me just try and get these in focus. I always have issues when I open up Pokemon cards trying to actually get them in focus, because despite having a 4K camera inside, it doesn't really work as well as you'd think. Energy retrieval. Corsola, very nice artwork. Trumbeak, which I actually think I was missing a card of, because I was looking through what Pokemon cards I had of Pokemon that were available in Pokemon Sun and Moon. I wanted to get all of the Pokemon that were new as cards, so kind of cool that we should get that. Kahuna. Snubble. I feel like all the Pokemon card YouTubers that I used to watch back in the day. But the video isn't just going to be me unboxing cards. I've got something else that I'll do at the end. Wingull. I've actually never had any of these cards before, which is kind of cool. I mean, I have opened some Pokemon Sun and Moon packs, but Lillipup. I don't think we've got anything like particularly good, which is a shame, because they're in this cost like £7 per booster when they used to cost, like £3. Oh well. Energy Retrieval, Palisand, and the Energy, and the cards I dropped on the floor because I always don't want to get spoiled. On the Energy card is a Zubat. So yeah, pretty meh pulls, but some of the art's nice. I might buy another one. So this is your cold card. I don't know if the TCG online is still a thing or not, but use it because I'm not. Kind of disappointing, but oh well. These are some cool cards I've got. It made me feel nostalgic. So yeah, let me just show you a combination of all the cards. This is a very not rushed video, but it's spur of the moment kind of thing. So you can see I've got the scissors, and I've got some sleeves. I usually use some card sleeves, but we got some pretty cool cards. I mean, nothing like rare, but I'm so used to getting full arts and stuff that I'm kind of disappointed when I don't. But yeah, now we're going to show you a battle that I did in Pokemon Sun and Moon the other day. The battle against the champion, quote unquote, I guess. If you're wondering what Pokemon I'm going to be using, well, I'm going to be using these guys. My favourite Pokemon of all time. You can probably see Lucario. You can see my face, kinda. The cable came out. Not Marill though, so yeah. Pretty cool cards. I do actually have 2 other booster packs, but I want to keep them for the future. But I might get another one at some point. Maybe for my birthday. So yeah, let's get on to the battle.